Your heart feels heavy, your mind keeps racing, and you cannot stop worrying about tomorrow. Life seems overwhelming, and every small problem grows into a mountain. What if I told you that there is someone who already knows every fear in your heart, every tear you have shed, and every burden you carry? Someone who will take care of you when the weight becomes too much. Today we will explore how trusting in Allah can lift that weight from your shoulders and bring peace to your heart even in the most stressful moments. Every day, we face challenges that test our patience. Maybe it is work that feels never-ending, bills that seem impossible to pay, or relationships that leave us drained. You lie awake thinking of solutions, replaying worries in your mind, trying to control what you cannot. But in reality, no matter how much you plan, Allah's wisdom is far greater than ours. The moment you let go and trust Him, you open your heart to relief and guidance. Imagine a life where your worries are shared with someone who truly understands. That is the life Allah invites you to. Think about a time when something you feared did not happen, or when help arrived in a way you could never have imagined. That was not luck. That was Allah caring for you. He knows the timing, the place, and the way your problems can be resolved in your best interest. When you feel trapped by fear or anxiety, remind yourself that worrying does not add 1 second to your life. Instead, surrendering your stress and trusting Allah multiplies your strength, patience, and clarity. You are not alone in your struggles. Everyone around you carries invisible battles. And yet, we often act as if we must carry everything ourselves. Let go of that illusion. Take a deep breath and say, silently or aloud, Allah, I trust you. Feel your shoulders lighten as you release what you cannot control. Your heart begins to remember what you have forgotten. Peace exists within trust. Even the smallest act of faith can shift your perspective, and with perspective comes calmness that stress cannot touch. Life may not suddenly become easy, but your heart can become resilient. When anxiety strikes, pause and reflect. Think of the countless ways Allah has helped you without you noticing. Small blessings, hidden protections, opportunities that seemed accidental but were guided. Let your mind rest on His mercy. Let your heart rest in His care. When you align your trust with His plan, the noise of fear and doubt fades, replaced with a quiet confidence that carries you through every storm. Remember, stress is not a sign of weakness. It is a call to surrender, to let go, and to trust. Allah does not abandon those who seek Him. He guides, protects, and provides. Even when the path is unclear, even when solutions seem impossible, He is working for you behind the scenes. You cannot see it, but it is real. You can feel it when your heart relaxes, when hope returns, when a solution arrives from a place you never expected. Carry this truth with you. Your struggles are not ignored, your tears are not unseen, and your heart is never alone. Trust in Allah is a bridge between despair and peace. Choose to place your burdens in His hands, and watch how your perspective changes. You are stronger than you think, and you are loved more than you realize. Life will challenge you, but with faith, you will rise above every fear and every worry. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope today. Remember to like this video, and subscribe for more reminders that bring peace, strength, and guidance to your daily life. Let your heart rest, your mind find clarity, and your soul feel the comfort of knowing Allah is always taking care of you.